Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. So in last lecture we were discussing about taxonomic categories. In this lecture we are going to learn about taxonomical aids. So taxonomical aids, it does not mean acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, right? Here aids it is plural of aid. Aid means it is mechanism or system for the taxonomical process. So as we stated earlier that taxonomical studies of various species of plant, animal and other organism, these studies it is very helpful for the agricultural, forestry and industrial purpose and also medicinal purpose. For example, by the taxonomical study you can state it like which species of plant are useful for the agriculture and which species of plant can grow in forest, and also we people are getting our cosmetic raw material from the some plant and animal species, so it has an industrial purpose also. And some animal and some species are also useful for the medicinal purpose. So taxonomical studies in short it is very useful. So for this classification and identification, in short this taxonomical studies, we must have some laboratories and some infrastructure, right? And we also need collection of species of plant and animal specimen also, right? So for our taxonomical studies, so let's have a look on our first taxonomical aid. It is herbarium. So herbarium, what is that? It is a storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, pressed and preserved on sheets. For example, you can see here, see this is dried specimen of plant and it is pressed also. And this herbarium sheet carries with it some information also. For example, date and place of the collection, English as well as local name and botanical name also, and family and name of collector also. So by using this herbarium sheet, if you are curious to know about some species of plants, so you simply go and check in this herbarium house. So you can get information about that a particular plant species, right? So herbarium sheet it is so much useful for research for our upcoming generation. Now let's move on to the another taxonomical aid. It is botanical garden. So what is botanical garden? This specialized garden have collection of living plants for reference. So remember one thing, botanical garden carries living plants. See, nowadays people are using this botanical garden as a picnic purpose also, but you may use this botanical garden for the study purpose, right? So in botanical garden, plant species are grown for the identification purpose and for the classification purpose also. And each plant is labeled indicating its botanical scientific name and its family. So here are some famous botanical garden you can see here. Indian Botanical Garden, it is also known as Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Botanical Garden located in Howrah. You can see here this is Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Botanical Garden. Because right now it is locked down, that's the reason it is closed. So one another botanical garden, it is National Botanical Research Institute located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. It is located in Uttar Pradesh. And a Kew Botanical Garden located in London. To the another taxonomical aid, it is museum. So biological museum are generally set up in educational institute. For example, it may in your school, it may in your college also. So museum have a collection of preserved plant and animal specimen, but here you need to mention one thing, and this preserved plant and animal specimen are not living, right? Because it is already mentioned they are preserved. So these are the stuffed animal, and these are the some skeleton of animals. And here you can see usually we use formalin for the preservation of animal specimen, and this is various insects for the study purpose. So museum has also its study purpose, right? An insect has this pinning method also. This is pinning method, right, through which you can pin this insects and you can preserve this insect. Now let's have a look on zoological park. I think so many of you have already visited such a zoological park. So where wild animal are kept in a protect environment under human care. So I want you to make sure about this. They are actually protected and kept under human care. So through which we can get information about their food, habitat, and their behavior also. So what zoological parks are provided? As far as possible, the conditions similar to their natural habitat. You can see here these animals are living in a zoological park, but they are not provided in 2 or 3 BHK flat. Actually, they are living in a condition same as a natural habitat. So here are some zoological park you can see here. The first zoological park in India, I think it is established in a mid 19th century. It is Thiruvananthapuram Zoological Park, and this is the National Zoological Park located in Delhi, and this is largest zoological park located in Chennai. And you can see here this is zoological park located in Gujarat, Junagadh, from where I am. And I recommend you to visit this zoological park for one time. It is very good opportunity to see Asiatic lion, and it is proud to say that India it is only country where Asiatic lion living their lives. Now let's move on to the important feature of taxonomical aid, and it is termed this feature as a key. So key, it is important feature to unlock any door, right? And because by using this feature we are able to unlock the taxonomical process or classification process, that's the reason scientists termed this feature as a key. So based on some similarities and dissimilarities, we are able to classify the living organism. So in key actually it is based on contrasting character, generally in a pair called couplet. For example, you are considered notochord. So those animal who possess this type of notochords, they falls under chordata, right? And those animal who don't have a notochord, they are non-chordate. So rest of the animals are non-chordate. So in upcoming chapter, animal classification we will see later on in detail. Let's see one another example of this couplet. For example, these are the vertebrates animal. Those who have a vertebral column, they are a vertebral animal. They are a vertebrates. See, these all animals are vertebrates, like amphibia, reptiles, aves, mammals. These are the vertebral animal. And because at a time you are considering only one character, so one character may reject. So those who possess notochord, they are a chordates. So rest of the animal you need to reject those who don't have a notochord. Why in each statement in the key is called lead? See, by using this feature you are leading the process of classification. That's the reason each statement in the key it is called as a lead. And a key are generally analytical in nature, through which you are analytically process the classification. Now there is some more like flora, manuals, monograph, catalogs are some other mean of recording description. For example, they also help in correct identification. Now what does mean by flora? So flora contain the actual account of habitat and distribution of plant species at a given area, and this provide the index to the plant species found in a particular area. So whenever you are considering plant species, so they are falls under this flora. Now what mean by manual? So manual are useful in providing information for identification of name of the species found in area. See, this is given area where such living organisms are found. For example, some mammals, some birds, some fishes, some amphibians. Now what mean by monograph? So monogram contain information on any one taxon. I want you to make sure about this menus and monograph. See, whenever you are considering this whole species, it means it is manual. And whenever you are considering only mammals found in a particular area, then it will be a monograph. Now what mean by catalog? So catalog, it is global index of species currently available, means how many species currently available or currently identified in the earth. So it is known as a catalog. So based on this theory, NEET had asked this question in 2018. So kindly read this question and try to give the answer of this question and inform me in comment box. And as well as 2016 about herbarium, NEET had asked this question. So kindly try to solve this also. Thank you. So I hope this video may be helpful to you, and if you like this video, so kindly subscribe this channel for upcoming new videos and share with your friends. Thank you very much.